Okay, you want to learn how to use the Boolean modifier. Let's go ahead and add a cylinder. Shift A, mesh, cylinder, GZ, S, GZ. So what's the Boolean modifier is going to do is it's going to put a indent into this cube. So we're going to click on the cube, click on the blue wrench icon, click on add modifiers, click on Boolean. It's right underneath generate. It's the third down. And then we're going to click on this little eyedropper and then click on our cylinder. So nothing looks like happened, right? But if we hide the cylinder, so H to hide, as you can see, it made an indent into the cube. This is very useful when you want to try to do complex modeling. And instead of you having to manually go do it, you can just use this. Now, a great example of this is if you were trying to model a house. So let's just move this over here to the side for right now. Tab, Control R, left click again, click 2, so we can just click on the very top one, GZ. There we go. Now let's do Control R, click 2 on your keyboard for 2, left click, Control R, 2, left click, 3 on the keyboard, select the face, E, left click, now GZ, SZ, that's how we can make it flat. There we go. So we have the basic little chimney. We're going to hit tab. We're going to select our cylinder again, G. Let's do RX90, G. Go in a little bit, S. Just kind of move it out. Let's say like right there. And if we do H, as you can see, it makes the indent. But what's really cool is if I do G here, turn on the auto keying, G, let's say over here, and then H, you can actually animate the hole. So one of the new things that people are doing is using this to animate mouse. So let's just do S, make this a bit bigger. I think that looks pretty good. Let's do H. Click on this, and once you're happy with the modification to your mesh, go over here, click the little drop-down menu, and then click Apply. So now if we go into Edit mode, as you can see, it's now applied to our mesh. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.